Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the septic tank excavation part and cement concrete part and the third one first class brickwork part in case of septic tank. Then in this class we discussed about the RB work in partition wall with 1:3 cement mortar in septic tank including reinforcement complete work. So here the RB work is provided in the septic tank. So it is one number. So first of all we define the length and breadth and height. So we need to check the what is the RB wall. So here the RB wall is provided in between this is the RB wall 10 centimeter thick is provided here. The RB wall is provided here. So the total height of RB wall or total length of RB wall we need to calculate first. So here the length of RB wall or this wall length is clearly indicate here, which is 0.9. So here we can write here the length is 0.9. Okay. Now what is the breadth? The RB wall thickness is 0.1. So breadth is 0.1. Clearly indicate here the 10 centimeter RB wall, and the height is from we calculate from this part, this point to this point. Okay. So here this point to this point distance we clearly indicate here 120 meter, and after that this distance is 15. So 120 plus 15 is equal to 135. So the height of the RB wall is equal to 135 centimeter or 1.35 meter. Okay, the total quantity of RB work in partition wall is equal to 1 into 0.90 into 0.10 into 1.35 is equal to 0.122 cubic. Okay, so then we discuss about the next point, next serial number 5. The particular is RCC work in septic tank and soak pit including reinforcement, complete work, slab cover of septic tank. So here the RCC work in septic tank is also one number is provided. So we need to check what is the RCC slab in septic tank or soak pit including reinforced, which is provided here. So we are going through the diagram part. The RCC slab here provided here, RCC slab with 7.5 centimeter RCC slab is provided here, and we need to check the length and breadth and height of the RCC slab. So here the length of the RCC slab is how much? 3.90 and breadth is 1.10 and thickness is 0.075. So first of all we discuss about the length. How can we define the length, which is 3.90? So here the length is we consider from this part to this part, right? Because this part to this part this is provided. So here the RCC slab is taking some support from this wall, which is considered as the offset is 10 centimeter. Okay. So same the opposite side also the offset we consider as 10 centimeter. So here the inner distance which is 3.70, right? From this point, this wall point to this wall point, the inner distance is 3.70. Then we consider the bearing offset which is 10 centimeter for both sides. So 3.70 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 for both sides, it is equal to 3.90. The length of the RCC slab is 3.90, which meant from this point to this point is 3.90. Then what is the breadth of the RCC slab? So this is the length and we going through the breadth part. So in case of breadth also, in case we know the RCC, this is the RCC cover, right? This is the RCC cover. So here the length is, the breadth is 90 centimeter provided, but some bearing is required. Same bearing we consider in case of length we same consider is 10 centimeter for both sides. So same we consider in case of breadth the bearing also 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter from the 20 centimeter wall. From this point also 10 centimeter, from this point also 10 centimeter. So 90 plus 10 plus 10 for both sides of bearing of RCC slab, it is equal to 110 or 110 centimeter or 1.10 meter. Okay. Then here the RCC slab thickness is clearly indicates 7.5 centimeter RCC slab. Okay. So here we need to check the length is 3.90, right? Breadth is 1.10 and height is 0.075 or 75 centimeter. So 7.5 centimeter. Okay. So then we define the total quantity is 1 into 3.90 into 1.10 into 0.075, it is equal to 0.322. Okay. Cubic. Then we discuss about the slab cover of soak pit. The slab cover of soak pit here provided one number, and in case of slab cover of soak pit, we need to check. We know soak pit is a circular structure, right? So we need to check what is the slab cover soak pit. So here also RCC soak pit 7.5 centimeter RCC cover is provided, right? So the total breadth of the RCC slab is how much? From this point to this point, the breadth is 115 meter. Okay. So for the RCC cover, the offset is required or bearing is required. Same for both sides. It is considered this side for 10 and this side also. For this side also 10. So 10 plus 10 centimeter or 0.1 plus 15 meter plus 0.1, it is equal to 1.70 meter. So it is a circular structure. How can we define the area? So area formula is how? What? Pi by 4 into diameter square. So pi by 4 into 1.70 square. Then we define the area. Then what is the thickness of RCC slab? 7.5 centimeter here, right? Here also the same. So thickness is 0.075. Then we get the quantity, right? So pi into 1.77 square by 4 into 0.075, it is equal to 1.70 cubic. Then we are going through the RCC support of pipe in soak pit. Okay, RCC support, what is the RCC support of pipe in soak pit? So you need to check here. In case of our soak pit, where is the RCC support pipe provided? So here one number of RCC support pipe is provided, which is 15 into 6 centimeter RCC for support of pipe. So here the size is also given, which is 15 into 6. Okay, so we need to calculate. So breadth is 15 centimeter. Okay, 0.15. 6 is the thickness, which is 0.06 meter, and we need to check the length of the RCC support which is provided in case of soak pit. Okay, the length is equal to the RCC cover length. Okay, so because the RCC need a support, so which is the support is given by the side wall, which is 20 centimeter wall. So the offset we consider for the RCC support, or the bearing we consider for the RCC support, it is 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter for both sides. We know the inner distance or the breadth of the septic tank soak pit, it is equal to 150 or 1.50 meter. So here the total length is 1.50 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, which is equal to 1.70. Then we get the value of the slab cover, RCC support of 5 in soak pit, which is 1 into 1.70 into 0.17 into 0.06, which is equal to 0.015 cubic. So then we define the total value of RCC required. Okay, so first one is 0.322, second one is 0.170 plus 0.015, which is equal to 0.507 cubic. So it is the RCC requirement for the soak pit and safety tank. Okay, so here the RCC calculation is completed. So the remaining part, or in the next class we discuss about the plastering, which is 12 centimeter thickness, thickness plastering. Okay.